Hello my viewers, just thought I'd show you how my project property is doing. Okay, I mowed the lawn today, so it's a good time to sort of show you what it looks like. I mean, you may be able to spot things that still need to be done and all that, but believe it or not, but it's really coming along really good here. I mean, I've obviously got more to do here. But today, I mean, I mowed along the roadside, for example, okay? I had already mowed once before, but not over in this other area here where this other lot is, but I did today, okay? So this is looking a lot better, I think. And so, you know, I even made a little pathway so I can come in through this way. I can't really come in through here with a car or anything, but I can walk through here, okay? This is a really nice little spot here, shaded and everything. This is really a kind of a nice spot where you could park a camper or something like that right in here. And I'll show you some more stuff here as I go. And of course, I still got a lot of work on the mobile home yet, but I'm trying to take care of what I can while I still have cool weather, because when I'm out of cool weather, then it's going to be more difficult for me to do any of the outside work. I've got this pile of hardware cloth here. I don't know if I'm going to be using it yet or what. It'd be good if, I don't know, I guess somebody had chickens or something. And let's see, of course, I've been working on mainly trying to make what I can accessible, you might say. Now I kind of made a mistake in here today. Kind of used my lawnmower as like a bush hog or something, and tore up my thatch diverter. And anyway, so let's see. Here's the back side of this. Of course, I still have a lot of electrical work to do, as you can see. Those are not live wires, by the way. And let's see, of course I still have to take care of the tree limbs and everything, and some of the trees have to go, but that'll be taken care of next month. I've already got in line to, on the company's queue to take care of that next month. Now, see this, I've opted to, see with the orange ribbon, I've opted to keep that tree. I just want to take care of one of the limbs. But anyway, I'm sort of cleaning up this area back in here a little bit, as far as I can go. It's, you know, it's been used pretty much of like a trash dump or something, but I'm getting there. I'm getting a lot of the junk cleaned out of it as I go. So I mean, there was once a time you couldn't really even walk back here so much. Not very easily anyway. And let's see, here's the chicken coop. I still haven't got that out of there yet. I still have to do some other things before I worry about the old chicken coop. I got some old clay pots here. Some are broken, some are good. I don't know what I want to do with them yet. But yeah, definitely this dead tree's got to go. And then after that, after I get rid of this old fifth wheel here, then I can pull this shed out, okay, and of course get rid of the tires and things like that. And of course I got a pile of some block and other, you know, stones and brick and things like that that I have to do something with. Anyway, here's the famous pump. So what I want to do though is I want to take this shed, okay, and I want to move it so that it covers this pump, the water, you know, the well pump and everything. That'll make it a lot safer. So yeah, today I was able to mow back in here for the first time, and of course I found a ton of junk just doing that. I mean, I had to stop mowing about every 5 seconds and dig up a bunch of junk. So, but yeah, it's coming along really nice here, back in here where I can actually walk now. I've got to get rid of this 50-gallon barrel or whatever it is, because I just don't need it. And clean up back in here a little bit more. And then, let's see, so yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even be able to mow back in this area here at one time because there was a bunch of old wood and just more junk and things like that placed in here. And now this is kind of neat right here. I'm going to keep this. This is kind of a keeper. There's some ferns that's on top of some dead wood. I'm going to try to finagle that to where it's back there a little bit further so it's not in my way. And then of course I still got to clean up back in here a little bit more, but yeah, it's still a lot cleaner than it was. Okay, at least I can mow around in here. Okay, so now back in here, this is really pretty. I want to show you something here. First of all, I'll come in this way, okay, in the front. So I've got a few fruit trees here that are sort of hidden. I've got, you know, some orange trees and a grapefruit tree, things like that, which, well, fruit trees in this part of Florida are not as common as some people may think. But these hardy guys here, these are really hardy, and they're survivors through the cold and everything. There's no fruit on here right now. To get fruit on it, I'd probably have to fertilize it and things like that. So now I could walk back in through here now. Okay, now this is kind of a neat little area here where somebody could put like a little camper. Okay, nice and shaded all the time. Okay, and you know, they could stay back in here. So especially in the winter time, like if you were kind of person that just wants to camp or something for the winter, this would be ideal for a camper spot right here as well. And of course I got a little water hookup now. I just got to run electric if that's something I am interested in doing. Okay, so yeah, so anyway, now right in here, this is kind of a little buffer zone that separates the property from the road, which, I mean, I certainly appreciate, because, you know, I kind of like the privacy. Okay, but there's some really neat scrub palms and ferns and a lot of things in here. Some flowering types of flora as well. And even it smells nice. I've kind of cleaned up a little bit back in here, as well as I could, you know, as I sort of feel like it. So it's, like I said, it's really coming along. So the, now back in here, this area, it's, there was like some old boat back in here that I had to get rid of. I had to throw it away. And of course, like I said, I mean, I could clean up some of these other areas. So, okay, that's pretty much it that I could show you right now. Thank you for watching. And of course, please comment and subscribe.